Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy or Buy. Today we are setting a debate. Do you really need a fancy expandable Lazy Susan for big family meals, or is a simple rotating snack tray good enough? We are putting the Lazy Susan Revolution full set head to head against the basic expandable turntable. Let's dive in. On one side, the Lazy Susan Revolution full set, a patented long table expandable system in dark gray with heat-resistant silicone designed especially for rectangular or oblong dining tables. On the other side, a standard expandable Lazy Susan turntable with 6 plate segments, round and compact, ideal for snacks or small meals. Table compatibility and purpose. Here is the key. The Revolution is built for big dinners, family feasts, holiday meals. The track expands to run down the full length of a rectangular table, meaning mains, sides, sauces, everything is reachable to everyone. If your family is 6 to 10 people or more, this makes life easier. The regular turntable. Great if you have small or round table or you are serving snacks, fruits, dips, condiments of casual get-together or quick lunch. It's compact, easy to store and keeps things simple. Expandability, rotation and convenience. The Revolution also brings some practical advantages. Heat-resistant trays with a silicone non-slip surface, meaning you can move hot dishes right from the oven to the table without worry. The expandable rail system glides smoothly, almost like a train of trays, so even heavy dishes slide easily. The simple turntable relies on a single spinning base. It rotates 360 degrees, which is smooth and familiar for snacks but not ideal for large plates or long tables. Plus, it lacks obvious heat resistance or non-slip surfaces, so it's suited for room temperature item, verdict and recommendation. So here is my take. If you often host family dinners, big gatherings, holiday meals and have a long dining table, go for the Lazy Susan Revolution. It's more versatile, heat safe and built for real world use. But if you just want a simple cheap compact rotating tray for snacks, quick lunch or small tables, the basic expandable turntable is fine and might even save space. Which one would you pick for your home? Comment below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and ring the bell if you want more kitchen gear comparison. Catch you next time.